Microchip Technologies ATtiny416 Explained Nano is a small, low-cost platform for evaluating ATtiny416 devices. The ATtiny416 Explained Nano includes an onboard debugger and micro USB port, requiring no additional hardware for use, and it's supported by Atmel Studio for easy access to all the features of the MCU. The board provides access to all I/O pins, and the debugger can be completely disconnected from the MCU and used with other UPDI target devices. The ATtiny416 MCU features an 8-bit AVR processor with hardware multiplier and can operate at up to 20 MHz. It includes 4 KB of flash, 256 bytes of SRAM, 128 bytes of EEPROM, accurate analog peripherals, and a flexible, low-power architecture that includes a 6-channel event system and sleepwalking.